The small ultrasonic cleaner is a marvel of modern convenience, particularly when it comes to the meticulous task of cleaning eyeglasses. By harnessing the power of high-frequency sound waves, this compact device produces a cavitation effect within its tank, creating tiny bubbles that implode rapidly, releasing a powerful microjet that dislodges dirt, grime, and even the most tenacious smudges from the lenses and frames. To begin the cleaning process, one simply fills the stainless steel tank with a solution of warm water and a mild cleaning agent, taking care not to exceed the maximum fill line. The glasses are then carefully placed into the solution, ensuring the lens prevents from touching the bottom of the tank. As the cycle progresses, the once clear lenses are gradually revealed, free from the cloudiness of accumulated oils and dust. The frame's nooks and crannies, typically inaccessible to manual cleaning, are also revitalized, with the cleaning solution flushing out debris that has built up over time. Upon completion of the cycle, the glasses are removed, rinsed quickly under warm running water to remove any residual cleaning solution, and then dried with a soft, lint-free cloth. The result is a pair of glasses with pristine lenses and a refreshed frame, providing the wearer with an enhanced, unobstructed view of the world. The small ultrasonic cleaner is not only efficient and thorough, but also a time-saving solution for maintaining the optical clarity and comfort of eyewear, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who values the importance of clean, well-maintained glasses.